am greatly honored to have been invited to deliver this lecture on the development of an important industry in India. After more than 30 years of political freedom, we have now entered a new stage. At this point of time, it is necessary to reflect and review our past achievements and failures and set for ourselves higher goals and follow new methods. In the past several years, we sought to achieve for our citizens freedom from want as well, but success was very limited. Under planned development, we can surely achieve our objectives. Our overall growth rate has been reduced steadily. Para. The mistakes of the past were not with the plans but their implementation. Had planning received the serious consideration it deserved and implemented with efficiency, it would have produced the desired results. This is evident from the fact that during the second and third plans, the economy achieved remarkable progress. The growth rate during this period, no doubt, was very less, but this was mainly due to different approaches to heavy industries, which would take long duration to come to production. The policy based on these plans was very good. Public sector was set up not at the cost of the private sector but to implement it. Both public and private sectors played a major part in the starting of heavy and light industry in different fields. The attitude to foreign investment and the policy in respect of import and foreign know-how were good. Much of the latest methods of Indian industry and the higher production levels achieved by it occurred during this period. Para. The slow progress in industry was due to a number of factors as employment and income growth decreased, so also the demand for industrial goods came down. We have the skills, resources, and talent to achieve much more, but unfortunately, we do not have the mind to do, which is essential for achieving better results. Development at a higher rate demands planned efforts from all sections of society. Apart from political strength, it is also necessary for faster development, a revised policy which moves positively in the creation of more jobs and more goods. In farming policies, the government must ensure that they pass certain tests. They must be examined for their impression on production, employment, and investment. If this impression is positive, the policy would be justified. If not, it should be given up.